Hello, Ose here. Face reveal. Yes, I know I'm hot. No need to say that I'm handsome. Unboxing video. Microphone. Let's start. Okay. Wouldn't you know another box? I found some Mad Croc. Just a prank. So Tonor TC2030 USB microphone kit. Yes. What the fuck? Now it opens. Whoa! A book! I will read this. A mattress. Here is a gun with a weird magazine. I don't think you can get it out. There's a tiger outside. I will let it in. Guys, I think I found a new tiger species. Look at this. Whoa! It has a cool clothes on. Hey, can you fuck off, please? Thanks. So, I was just joking. I know this goes on the table and you spin this to open this. And here, a cage for the tiger. Where the fuck did it go? So when I capture it, I found it. I see it. Hey, come here. Cat, tiger. Come here. Fuck. But when I capture it, I will put this on the head. So they can't move. Then here's a weird thing. I don't know what this is. Looks like a metal baseball bat. Yes, this is like a curved baseball bat, so you can like hit balls with weird angles. You can just change this. Look, oh, ball is coming fast. But up, I will have to adjust this. My finger almost broke. And then I hit like this. It's cool. Here is... Oh, scissors! We have the same exact ones. But I left them there. Let me see. I found it. Yes. Now we have two of the scissors. Look, I can do tricks. Thumbs up for the video, please. For the trick. Yes. Okay. And here is condom with a microphone inside. What the hell? Testing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it says Tonor on the side. There's a whale with that mohawk. TC2030. Let's do a mic test right now. Testing. This is a prank. It's from my phone. This is not even plugged in. Prank, bro. Sorry that I'm pranking you and joking this much. I have AD.
Hey guys, editing Ose here. I actually don't have HDAD. Don't joke about retardation. Even though it's funny, you will get the cancel on Twitter and that's not cool.
But There's tripwire for Minecraft. Let me open this. Yes. Very long. Longer than my arms. Here is a squeezed, I don't know, hat for the cat. Tiger, maybe. Oh no, I think it's a hat for the microphone. Yes, it fits perfectly. Yes. Say hello to the hat. This is a guard from United Kingdom. Here's some tentacle tent supplies. There's a baseball tennis racket too. This is cool. I will play basket squash with this a lot. Yes, that is everything. Here's a mattress with some shapes to store things in, maybe. I don't know. And this box is cool. But this is cool. It's made in China. I wonder if Xi Jinping made this for me. Just for me. Yes.
She just want my love, so she gon' love me. I got them all white T-Fazos on my and you know my boxers, PSD. I might just go fuck on your cousin today, or I might shoot up your school today. I'm with the boys and you already know we finna act stupid today.